the genocide memorial, which, I mean, because they had the genocide, it's just the memorial for that. And it was a pretty cool experience when I went to that. It's a very, like, I don't know how to describe it. I mean, 1.5 million people died in the genocide. So just visiting the memorial, it's kind of this kind of like a dome with an open top. And in the middle of the dome, there's a flame that is always lit. It's lit year round. And every year on April 24th, which is the genocide Memorial Day, basically, a ton of people will gather around that, and they'll put roses around that fire, and you'll just see like piles of flowers, and it's really cool. It's a interesting atmosphere, I guess. As far as I've heard, it was religious. It was, I'm not positive about it, but as far as the Armenians are concerned, it was religiously based, because the countries surrounding Armenia are all Muslim, and Armenia is very Christian. So that's, as far as I know, that's why it happened. And Turkey says it never happened, and so there's kind of a really big feud between Turkey and Armenia still going on. Armenia does not like Turkey. I don't know. Yeah, they don't like them. There's a big cultural thing against Turkey. But as far as I've heard from members, talking about their great-grandparents who were involved in the genocide, kind of, similar to what we hear about the Nazis and the Holocaust, just people coming into villages and killing a lot of people, basically, and piling their bodies, and a lot of pretty graphic details about pretty inhuman ways of killing, and so yeah, pretty serious stuff. And because of that, because of that event, a lot of Armenians that were living in Armenia left, and that's a part of the memorial. Is there's a big spire, and there's two. I don't know how to describe it. There's two parts of the spire. There's the outer part that's surrounding the inner part, and it's a lot bigger than the inner part. And basically what it's supposed to represent is the inner part of the spire, the smaller part, represents the Armenians that are still living in Armenia, and then the outer part represents the Armenians that left. So, I mean, in the country right now, there's maybe 2 to 3 million people living in the country. And outside of Armenia, I've heard maybe 8 to 10 million Armenians. So yeah, that was a big thing, a big cultural thing, that just a ton of Armenians left because of it.